If you know how to round normal numbers, then rounding decimal numbers will be easy. They use the same rounding rule. Let's start with the number 23.46. We're going to round the number to one decimal place. This means that our new number will only contain tenths and not tenths and hundredths. Let's put our number into a place value chart to help with the rounding. If we're asked to round to one decimal place, we need to look at the hundredths digit and check if it's 5 or more. In our example, we have 6 hundredths in the hundredths column. 6 is more than 5, so we need to round up to the next tenth. This means our new rounded number will have 5 tenths. Therefore, 23.46 rounded to the nearest tenth, or to one decimal place, is 23.5. We can check our answer by placing 23.46 on a number line between the nearest tenths. We can see that 23.46 is closer to 23.5. It's 4 tenths away. If we're rounding 23.46 to the nearest whole number, we need to look at the tenths column, because the tenths column is to the right of the ones column. As there are 4 tenths, we round down to the nearest whole number, which is 23. So remember, when we round decimals, make sure to look at the digit next to the one you want to round to. For example, if you want to round to the nearest tenth, look at the hundredths.